history, counting our steps, walking in history, fun and learning for all, walking in history, have fun.
So today I'm here with the new drone what we've got recently, the DJI Neo. Let's get that into shot there a bit. Very agile and nippy drone. I'll be doing some pre-flight checks and also a few tips. So first of all, I'll show you viewers how to remove the wing guards here. They're a bit finicky. So I heard the best way is to these middle parts here, just to put them backwards slightly. They are very finicky. There you go. Easy that is. Then just the other ones on top, which comes off completely. Oh, that's what they look like off the drone. These are also fully customizable. You can get them off places like the official DJI website or even Temu. So we'll get that one off now as well. Oh. Okay, almost off. Very finicky. So I'm just going to move these off to the side for now, and now we're going to check the propellers just in case we feel any bumps or any little chips in them, or could affect the flight. And now we're just going to check if the wings are tightened properly. There's the screws. I do not know if it can be seen. There's 3 little screws on the bottom of each of them, so let's just see if they're tight enough for it. Yeah, it's all that one's pretty tight. These pins at the bottom of the battery correspond with the drone little pins at the bottom, you can see there. So all we do is slide the battery in until you hear click, just a gentle push like that, and we're all sorted for the Neo. So now we're going to head over to the controller again and start your fly up. Turn on your drone, which is one click, then hold it down. So now we're going to head over to the DJI Fly app. So where you may have put that, but it's normally on your home screen when you swipe up. For iPhone, I'm unsure, but I'm sure it's very similar. So we hit our Fly app. There's the Neo can be flown in 3 ways. Be flown with the controller, by your phone, that's for a future video, and with the FPV goggles, first person view. But for now we're going to be using the controller. So when you're in your Fly app, you want to turn on your drone. It's just doing its checks, you can see there. And another fun fact about the Neo is that on the front it has all the quick shot modes, and you can do them all manually, which I'll show you in a future video. For now we're just waiting for the drone to be detected, which it has here on the controller. Just waiting for it to connect. it will ask you for internet connection. So we've got the controller connected and the drone is now operational. It's very agile, especially in sports mode. It's even getting away from the snow, and that's in normal mode. It also has, like the other drones, it has a cinematic mode. The battery life again is between 18 minutes and 25 minutes, but in sport mode it is 15 minutes, so my research has told me so far.
Walking in history, step by step.